Think your cat comforts you when you're sad? What if I told you it's not love, it's strategy? Your cat isn't just reacting to your emotions, it's studying them, watching every reaction, every habit, every moment of weakness. And once it understands you, it starts using you. You've seen it before. The moment you feel low, your cat suddenly appears. Not randomly, not accidentally, but almost perfectly timed. It sits closer than usual, moves softer than normal, acts different, as if it knows exactly what you need. But here's the question no one asks. How does your cat know? Because what looks like comfort might actually be observation. Scientists believe animals can read emotional cues through subtle changes in your voice, your posture, even your breathing. But cats take it further. They don't just sense emotions, they learn patterns, they remember behavior. And over time, they connect your feelings to your actions. At first, it feels like empathy, like your cat understands you. But look closer. When you're sad, it becomes calm and gentle. When you're happy, it becomes playful and active. And when you're busy, suddenly it demands your attention. That's not random behavior, that's adaptation. Your emotions trigger chemical responses in your body. Stress increases tension, calm creates comfort. And your cat learns how to influence those states. A soft meow at the right moment, a slow blink that feels reassuring, a gentle touch that feels intentional. Each action perfectly timed, perfectly placed. And slowly, something changes. You begin to respond automatically. You feed them when they stare long enough. You pet them when they sit quietly beside you. You stop what you're doing just for them. And you don't even notice it happening because it feels natural. But it's not random, it's learned behavior. Not just by you, but by your cat. This isn't control through force. There are no commands, no dominance displays. Instead, it's control through emotion. Subtle, quiet, almost invisible. Your cat doesn't need to control your actions directly. It only needs to understand what makes you react. And once it figures that out, everything becomes predictable. Your stress becomes a signal. Your sadness becomes an opportunity. Your habits become a system. A system your cat understands better than you do. Think about it. How many times have you changed your behavior just because your cat looked at you a certain way? How many times have you reacted instantly without thinking? That's not coincidence. That's conditioning. Over time, your responses become automatic, and your cat becomes the trigger. Now, here's the important part. Does this mean your cat is evil? No. It means your cat is intelligent, highly observant, extremely adaptive. It has learned one simple truth. Humans are emotional creatures, and emotions can be influenced. Not controlled completely, but guided, shifted, nudged in the right direction. So next time your cat sits beside you and looks directly into your eyes, don't just assume it's comfort. Pause for a second and ask yourself, is it reacting to me or is it reading me? Because the line between understanding and influence is thinner than you think. And once that line is crossed, you stop noticing it. You stop questioning it. And that's when it becomes part of your routine. So watch carefully. Pay attention to the timing, the behavior, the patterns. Because the scariest part isn't what your cat is doing, it's how long it's been doing it without you realizing.